Hello everybody, welcome back to Cape Fear News Network's weather segment. I'm your primary anchor and technician Hudson McFadyen, and I'm about to ask you a question that you've probably never thought about. How could a gigantic volcanic eruption affect your future? That and more coming up now. Before we talk about volcanoes and eruptions, let's go ahead and talk about today's weather. For the day, we'll see a high of 70 and a low of 46. There's not a very high chance of rain, but we should see 90% humidity throughout the day. Next week, we'll see decreasing temperatures, but Saturday and Sunday will be as warm as Friday. We should expect to see rain on Sunday morning and it continuing all the way throughout Monday night. The aforementioned decreasing temperatures will barely break 50 degrees from next Monday to Friday. Our lows should also be in the low 30s. The giant volcanic eruption I referred to earlier was a theory by geologists that a ring of volcanoes off of the coast of Alaska is in fact one giant supervolcano. Now, if this theory were true, a volcano of this size would be similar to the explosion that happened on the Yellowstone volcano. What formed from the eruption in Yellowstone is what's called a caldera. Calderas are giant craters formed by these volcanic eruptions that contain sulfur dioxide, carbon dioxide, and many other gases and liquids that come from the Earth's mantle. Though they sure do look pretty, they are extremely dangerous and should not be inhaled directly. The most recent eruption, even scalable to the eruption of Yellowstone, happened in the Philippines in 1991. The event was only 1/1000th the size of the eruption from Yellowstone, but the sulfur dioxide released into the atmosphere caused global temperatures to cool for 3 whole years. The change peaked at an average of 1.3 degrees Celsius, or 0.7 degrees Fahrenheit, in 1992. You saw what the picture looked like before, and this is what the caldera formed by that volcano looks like now. Scientists are unsure of the exact effect that a caldera-forming volcano would have, but it is sure to drastically alter global climates and agriculture. It sounds grim, but the chances of us ever seeing a volcanic eruption of that size are highly unlikely, as most of these volcanoes have remained dormant for a very long time. Also, the entire supervolcano thing is just a theory. It has not been proven yet. That's going to do it for this episode. If you like this and you want to see more student-made content, you can head over to our website at capefearnn.com. You can see plenty of feature articles as well as our YouTube channel, which has a podcast and a sportscast. Once again, I'm Hudson McFadyen, and I hope to see you next week.